Sachin Naik unong pikai ne kumu observer jong ko All India Congress Committee AICC ulahiyar siya ka Southwest Kasil District ban bishar panya yakru komtrikam jong ka Seng Congress haswa ban thung yu President Bapura jong ka Southwest Kasil District Congress Committee. Sachin Naik apakran chila patay kubor hamau ranglang ulong bakarai jong ka AICC ban thung yu kumu observer kadai shi benta ban thung yu district president bathamai kat kum ka jingyat jong ka por shushu la pentem ba ka AICC kala bathayu ban lechngo ya baro ki block congress committee kata ka Southwest Castle district ka kentup ya arteli ki block kata ka mau karwat ba ka ranikor bat ka West Castle district ka bakentup ya ki lightly ki block kata ka long hanong stan motion run ban haram prai kani ka jing le jingo kan kenthum ya ka jing emer jing mun bat ka jing lum ya ka jing ai jing mun bat ka jing ai jing mun na ki nong elam
long nakabata ke juni gelong ba i Sachin Naik beri IACC observer nakabata banjit mai ya ki presiden jong ki district bar hanya ko miklaya Kimenta kadon ka exercise na kimenta halo kami kadai ha kabari bat ka UP ka Bihar ka Goa ka Manipur ka Meghalaya ban Nagaland so kini kadon brutally ki state ngapo India ha kabal kami kadai ka second phase so bro ki ada kumba apoi apa atali 20 so far have completed
14 states
14 states so tadi ki state kadep Kelar penuh ka election cuti district presiden. Di mentah pada kali nak mentah apa ka jalan Meghalaya. Di kali keju ke exercise ke bagi kita sedang nadu menin ke sini kali apa hakimi ki ndriu teli ki state apa India. Di lembah kani ka Sanggatan Srijan Abhiyan Nakaliang jong ka parti kongres minta kalau ko aban revive ko aban revamp ya ka parti. Di kebumut minta kalau ba nakaliang jong ka parti kalau pak ya beroki observer rekat bat state observer nak beta bandon lang bat ban net manaki keleng manaki banya kedu ya kini dalam jong ki blok kini dalam jong ki mahila kini dalam jong ki ki parent body ki NSUI beta ki sebedal bertindak terker nak beta syabat thumi presiden jom kan district nomor makani kembur makani kesamoi jom terkam jom nakalen district kembur lomba nakalen jom itu minta dapat kod di kembur beta kinsa shim ya kali letak challenge kinsa observe nak beta berisi district nak beta ya kinutrai juga parti tang kinutrai juga parti Kena tahanin kata nakale kejui sa Rasha Delhi nak mata submit ya ka observation kata reka observation pada nakalian jong ka AICC hi katung yau presiden jong ka district ban yarap nak mata ka parti kongres ha kabare
district president, ECC observer, block presidents of both the block, all people from press and all my Congress friends. The All India Congress Committee started one nationwide program of Sangathan Sujan Abhiyan in entire India. So far, we have completed 14 states in India, and now recently the Congress Committee has announced this program for Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya and Goa. So I am come here as an AICC observer for this Sangathan Sujan Abhiyan. Through this Abhiyan, we are going to elect new DCC president. I will submit my proposal to AICC And after my proposal, AICC will take a new decision, and in the entire state, the new DCC presidents are going to be appointed by this process. Not only this exercise for DCC president, but this exercise is for the entire restructuring of the Congress of that particular district. Block presidents, we are identifying new potential leaders of different sections of the society, might be youths, women's, from different categories of society, some scholars, and for that we are taking views of all Congress workers as well as those who believes in the idea of Indian constitutional politics, those who are like-minded, those who are not in Congress but they are indirectly supporting our ideas, our thoughts. We will also have conversation through the Sangathan Sujan with all these people.